Color Balance Effect in After Effects. Deep Dive. The Color Balance Effect is a color correction and grading tool in Adobe After Effects that allows you to adjust the RGB, red, green, blue, channels of an image or video separately across highlights, midtones, and shadows. In simple terms, it gives you precise control over how colors appear in different tonal ranges. The Color Balance Effect gives you individual sliders for adjusting RGB across 3 tonal regions. Shadow balance on red, green, and blue channels. Adjust the amount of red, green, or blue in the darkest areas of the image. Used to fix shadow color casts or create stylized shadow tints. Mid-tone balance on red, green, and blue channels. Adjust the color of the mid-range tones, often where skin tones fall. Used for natural corrections or creative color grading. Highlight balance on red, green, and blue channels. Adjust the brightest parts of the image. Used to cool down highlights, more blue color, or warm them up, more red and yellow. Preserve Luminosity checkbox. Maintains overall brightness while shifting colors, preventing unwanted darkening/lightening. Crucial for corrections that shouldn't alter exposure. Use color balance when you want precise, channel-specific color correction or creative grading. To fix color casts of footage with too much blue in shadows, too much red in highlights. To make footage look more natural by balancing skin tones or neutral tones. To create a mood or cinematic style by pushing colors toward a specific palette. To selectively enhance contrast and depth without affecting the whole image uniformly. Often used in raw or flat video that needs color grading. Used in footage with lighting imbalances when shadows look too green or highlights too warm. For creative visuals, music videos, VFX shots, or stylized films where colors need strong artistic manipulation. Use on footage with mixed light sources. Like indoor footage with tungsten plus daylight sources where color balance shifts across tonal ranges. With color balance, you can correct white balance issues by reducing unwanted color dominance. Adjust shadow tint, fix green and magenta casts. Fine-tune midtones for realistic skin tones. Warm up or cool down highlights for cinematic looks. Match footage shot on different cameras. Balance exposure ranges without flattening contrast. Beyond technical fixes, color balance is powerful for storytelling and style. The color balance effect in After Effects is both a technical correction tool, fixing footage problems, and a creative grading tool, building mood, tone, and style. Its power lies in separating shadows, midtones, and highlights for precise RGB control.